Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we have my purchase that I really shouldn't have made during this month due to money reasons, but I made it anyway. So inside here, super quick unboxing for you guys just to show you what you get when you order a Milltek sports cap. Inside, this is the first time I've opened it, I've only just popped the tops. The packaging is amazing, wow. But yeah, I know we're looking at that, but seriously, packaging, awesome. That's proper well packaged. Happy with that. And here it is. So that's the sports cap. I'll just pull it out of the box. There you go. One sports cap. Looks pretty cool. It will go on my car just fine, I'm sure. Just gently put that on the floor. And then you also get the kit that goes with it. So you've got the gasket, some bolts, and that gasket is for here. So the gasket goes on there and you're all good. And that is all you get. So super quick unboxing, you get that and that. I'll whip off this little bubble wrap here and just show you the actual cap bit itself, just to show you the size comparison. I'm planning on fitting this Thursday night through to Friday. So for you guys, I guess if this video goes up, I may actually be fitting it when this video goes up, if I think about it. So yeah, the first half of the video of installing this will be in the dark, but it'll be all the simple bits. So getting all like the window wiper cowling off, maybe the heat shield. But I'll be doing it all by head torch light, and then in the morning I will then remove the cat and do the big bit that you probably actually need instruction for. But anyway, so there it is. I'll just quickly unbox it, unwrap it I guess is what I meant, show you guys the actual whole thing, and then we'll leave the video there. And there she is. So for motorsport use only, this is the cat that I'm holding in my hand now. You can see how much smaller it is. It seems to have a small of own heat shield on it, so maybe I don't need to install the heat shield that's on the car itself. But as you can see, yeah, it's proper nice. I'm really happy with that. But anyway, that's going underneath the car. We won't see it again once it's installed, so who cares what it looks like. I'll leave the video there. Thank you for watching, guys. If you need me to show you anything in the installation video and this goes live, make sure you leave a comment straight away just so I can actually put it in the video itself, but I'll try and include as much as I can. I won't make it too long or too talkative like I'm doing now. It will just show you the exact bolts you need to do, because I'm on a slight time constraint in terms of doing this install, because I have work Friday evening. So I'm making sure I start Thursday night, I work on it Friday morning. With any luck it works. If not, I guess I'm walking to work. But anyway, that's the Milltek sports cap, 200 cell, high flow, blah blah blah. It's gonna be good. Thank you for watching, guys. Remember to like, favorite and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.